Dahan-dahan, hindi ako makasabay.
Make it slow. I can't keep up.
Slow down, I can't keep up. Bilisan natin para matapos tayo agad.
Let's do it faster so we can finish immediately.
Let's speed up so we can finish quickly. Para naman sa ikabubuti mo ang ginawa ko.
I did it for your own good.
I did it for your own good. Ang hirap mong pakisamahan.
It's difficult to be with you.
You're hard to get along with. Ayan ka na naman.
There you go again.
There you go again. Naiinis ako sa sarili ko.
I am annoying with myself.
I'm annoyed with myself. Panglima ako sa pila.
I'm fifth in a row.
I am fifth in line. Paano ko malalaman kung hindi mo sasabihin?
How would I know if you're not gonna tell me?
How will I know if you don't tell me? Sabihin mo na kasi.